Hi there, I'm Knut Madsen. You know, the hotels, they love having visitors, but they don't like having visits from service technicians. You know, it's not only because of the direct cost of the service technician, but also the fact that they may not be able to sell the room if the service is out of order. Let me explain what we've done in our TRIAX Cast solution to improve on this or to optimize on this. You know, it's not just a matter of having rock-solid products. The service must be there as well. So this is the server. This is the TRIAX Cast server, the heart of the solution. On this server, there is a big amount of software. This software is running the application. And our engineers are constantly improving on this software to make it more reliable and better functionality. This server is connected over the cloud to our TRIAX support center, and through there we can ensure that the software is always updated at any time. Totally without service visits, totally without additional cost for the hotel. Also, the server includes licenses for running the service, and these licenses are updated annually, again over the cloud, totally without visits, totally without additional cost for the hotel. Let me show you another important thing. I mounted this cast lock, TRIAX Cast lock, on this TV, and this may look like a basic plastic casing, which is basically the truth. But you know, the Google Chromecast is in here, and the Google Chromecast is pretty easy to remove if it's not secured like this. So this plastic housing is locked with a single Torx type of screw and with an additional security wire, again attached to an additional screw of the TV set. So in this way, it's not easy to remove the unit, and you know, if the unit is removed, the hotel need to call for a service technician to reinstall a new Chromecast and to reprogram this Chromecast. Let me take off the lid. So here you go. So inside we have the Chromecast. The Chromecast has a small reset button here on the top. And if the guest is hitting this reset button, the Chromecast will return to factory setting. Returning to factory setting, meaning that the service is out of order, meaning that the service technician need to come back and reprogram the unit. So by having it like this in a plastic casing, it will block for the button, and through that it's not possible to hit the button. So we have built in a lot of means to avoid unexpected service costs, maintenance costs, to the big benefit for the hotels.